You've made it this far, but most don't. But this isn't about watching, it's about building something real. This is the 3-week Premium Client Challenge. Let's finish strong. Let's talk about why most advisors stay stuck even after they've done all the prep work. Because this is where the fear creeps in. This is where the second guessing starts, but not for you and not today. If you're new here, my name is Sundey Gardner, founder of Online Travel Boss, and you're watching week 3 of our 3-week Premium Client Challenge, a no fluff implementation series for travel business owners ready to attract high-paying clients without chasing trends or doing the most. This challenge is designed to help you choose one proven premium client strategy, implement it over 3 weeks, and finally get real results, not just ideas. This is not just another training. This is about execution. And over the last 2 weeks, you've built your foundation. You chose your client attraction strategy. You mapped out your offer. You positioned it like a premium service. You created aligned content, and now it's time to move. Because this is execution week. Here we stop prepping and we start producing, where your strategy stops being an idea and starts working in real time, where you stop tweaking and you start tracking. This is day 13 of the 3-week Premium Client Challenge, and this is your turning point. Because you're not here to build things in silence. You're here to make real moves that lead to real money. And now let's be honest. The reason most people don't get clients isn't because their offer is bad. It's because they never actually launch it. They post once, then they disappear. They send one email, then they go ghost. They write the plan, but never follow through. And then they blame the strategy. But the truth is, no strategy works if you don't give it a chance to work. This week is about giving your strategy room to breathe, room to perform, room to tell you what needs to shift. So here's what we're going to do in week 3. You're going to take one visible action every single day based on the strategy you chose in week 1. Not think about it, not plan it, not talk about it, how you're going to do it, actually do it. Because nothing teaches you faster than execution. Let me give you some examples. If your strategy is social selling, that means you are actively posting, engaging, and inviting, not just posting travel quotes and hoping people DM. You are reaching out, voice noting, starting conversations, and tracking who's responding. Execution looks like I posted a behind-the-scenes stories on my planning process, DM 5 warm leads, and followed up with the past inquiry who ghosted me in January. If your strategy is referral network, you should be in people's inboxes. You should be having conversations. You should be sending scripts to past clients, friends, or partners. Execution looks like this. I sent referral messages to 8 people, set up 2 quick calls with vendor partners, and offered a referral bonus to my top client. If your strategy is lead magnet and email, you should be promoting that opt-in. It's your job. Your email list is a lead funnel, and this week it gets put to work. Executing looks like this for lead magnet plus email. I posted my opt-in offer in 3 different ways, sent my list a nurture email sequence, and added a call to action in my Instagram bio. If your strategy is content and authority, you should be publishing. No more waiting until the blog is perfect. No more waiting until you feel confident on camera. Just get on camera. You already mapped this out in week 2. Now go and execute. Execution looks like this for you. I recorded a YouTube video walking through my 3-step planning process and repurposed a quote from it into a carousel post. If your strategy is local partnerships, you better be showing up, connecting with people, visiting spaces, following up. Execution would look like this. I followed up with 2 local businesses, dropped off promo kits, and sent DMs to local influencers who align with my brand. Now, if your strategy is paid ads and funnels, which again is one of my favorites, you should be turning the switch on with the ads. Start with what you have. Execution would look like this. I launched a 5-day Instagram ad to my opt-in, monitored the metrics, and checked my funnel for drop-off points. And if your strategy is cold outreach, execution means you're sending those messages, you're researching, you're personalizing, you're following up. execution would look like this. I pitched 3 potential clients on LinkedIn with personalized videos and tracked who opened or replied. This is what it means to run your business like a business, not a dream, not a maybe, a business. Now let's talk about what's going to get in your way this week, because resistance is coming. The voice that says this isn't working, I'm annoying people, I need to wait until it's better, that's fear, not fact. And you can't afford to let fear make your business decisions. Let me say this clearly. You will not know what works until you do it. You will not get feedback until you show up. You will not make money by tweaking things forever. Execution brings clarity. Your job this week is to execute, track, and refine. That's the formula. Execution shows you what lands. Tracking tells you where the drop-off is. Refining helps you get better in real time. Let me walk you through how this looks in action. Step 1, you do the thing. You send the email. You publish the post. You make the offer. Step 2, you track what happened. Did anyone open? Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. You track what happened. Did anyone open, click, DM, book a call? Step 3, you refine. If no one clicked, maybe the call to action was weak. If no one opened, maybe the subject line didn't hit. If no one booked, maybe the positioning was soft. Now you're not guessing, you're optimizing. That's the difference between amateurs and pros. So here's what I want you to do today. Open your calendar, block off time each day this week to execute your strategy. Not plan, not tinker, not research, execute. Pick 1 to 2 tasks per day that tie directly to your strategy. Then post them inside of the Travel CEO community and tell us, what's your strategy? What's your first execution task? And what time are you doing it? Let's hold each other accountable. If you're watching this on YouTube, drop a comment and tell me what your strategy you're executing this week. And if you're not in the challenge yet, go to onlinetravelboss.com CEO-challenge and catch up now. This is week 3. And if you want premium clients, you've got to show up like a premium business. Let's get to work. You're watching the 3-week Premium Client Challenge, where we don't just talk strategy, we implement. Join the challenge at onlinetravelboss.com/CEO-challenge. And if you're ready to build the full system behind your success, Foundations is the next step.